Welcome to Vedis Automation. Today we are going to discuss about the communication between Mitsubishi PLC and the WECON VBOX IoT device. Here is the hardware connection between the Mitsubishi PLC and the WECON IoT device Q-Series PLC we are using here. And there is an IoT device from the brand WECON. Both the PLC and this box has been connected through the Ethernet communication. Next we will go to the VNet access software. We have connected the device using the USB cable. It's been connected. Then we will configure the IP address for the Ethernet communication, and then for the box we can give the access password, and then 4G connection we will enable. So after that we will download the configuration. Once it is downloaded, it will reboot. It takes some time to reboot the device. Yes, it's been rebooted. Next we will go to network testing. Both the Ethernet IP address and the 4G has been connected properly. Next we will go to establish the communication between the Mitsubishi PLC and this device. Add new Ethernet, then select Mitsubishi, and then in the protocol L02. Here we don't have any Q-Series selection, but we can select L02, and then port number 1025 we will provide here. IP address is 1.201. That's all. And then we will move to GXWorks2, where we can configure the IP address for the PLC. Select the method. What type of PLCs we are using, we need to select and click OK. And then we will go to PLC parameters, where there is a tab called built-in Ethernet communication, where we can assign the IP address. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Default root IP address is it's nothing but it's a gateway. And then we will go to setting. We need to select TCP, known as MC protocol. Port number is 1025, which is the same as we have configured in the VBOX. Then we will download the program. So once it is downloaded, we need to reset both the PLC and the IoT device. That's all. Thanks for watching.